I'll go to start menu and then click on this setting icon. Just click on it. And here you see this window will pop up, and here you need to click on time and language. And after that, this bunch of options will appear in front of you. Now you need to click on region and language from the sidebar. And here, first of all, you need to select your country or region. In my case, it is selected Pakistan. That is correct. So if in your case, if it's not select according to your requirements, just click on this down arrow button and change it from here. So we don't want to mess these settings because it's okay. So we will move toward the next step. So now here you see we have already installed two languages, English Pakistan and English United States. We are going to add another language. Just click on add a language, and after that here you see a lot of languages over there, and you simply find your language, the desired file, the desired language that you wish to add, or you can simply search over there. We are going to find Urdu, so we just type URDU Urdu, and here you see it's a search. Just click on it, Urdu, and here you see it has two types, one from India and one for Pakistan. So we are going to select Urdu Pakistan. Just click on it, and yeah, it's successfully added. Now here you see, just click on you see the languages installed on our Windows 10. Just click on it and go to options, and here you see keyboard is already added.